So welcome students to my channel once again. This time I have brought this question for you all. So look at the question. Using first principle, find the derivative of x cube plus 3x with respect to x. Okay. Using first principle, find the derivative of x cube plus 3x with respect to x. So I am starting the solution. Watch it. Okay. So let y is equal to f of x is equal to x cube plus 3x. Okay. So therefore f of x plus h will be x plus h whole cube plus 3 into x plus h. Okay. So now using the first principle, the derivative of y is equal to fx with respect to x at the point x is given by dy by dx is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Okay. So this will be is equal to limit h tends to 0. Okay. What is f of x plus h? F of x plus h is the x plus h whole cube. X plus h whole cube plus 3 into x plus h minus x cube plus 3x. Okay. Minus x cube plus 3x by h. Okay. So this will be is equal to limit h tends to 0 1 by h into x plus h whole cube x cube plus h cube plus 3xh into x plus h. Okay. Plus 3x plus 3h minus x cube minus 3x. Clear? X a plus b whole cube a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b plus 3x plus 3h minus x cube minus 3x. Okay. So limit h tends to 0 1 by h into from here plus x cube minus x cube is getting cancelled. Okay, we can clearly plus 3x minus 3x is also getting cancelled. Okay, so this will be h cube plus 3x square h plus 3xh square plus 3h. Okay, so is equal to limit h tends to 0 h, this h I am writing like this. So in the numerator I can take h common. Okay, h square plus 3x square 3x square plus 3xh 3xh plus 3 3. Okay, so now h and h will get cancelled. Okay, so it will be limit h tends to 0, h square plus 3x square plus 3xh plus 3. Okay, so now we'll replace h by 0. It will be 0 square plus 3x square plus 3x into 0 plus 3. Clear? So it will be 0, no need to write 3x square, 3x into 0 is 0, so no need to write plus 3. So it will be 3 into x square plus 1, and this is the answer. Clear? Thanks for watching.